Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to pin a tweet on X. Okay, so first of all, let's go to X application, and now you want to go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this side menu you can see that you have different sections. You want to go to section with your profile. Now you have to find a specific post that you want to pin. I will go, for example, with this one. And now when you found a specific post that you want to pin, you want to tap on three-dot button that is located next to the post itself. And now from the list of options you want to select pin to your profile, and of course confirm that you really want to pin it. And here you can see it appears at the top of my page with the small label pinned. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.